I like a challenge. I just like fixing things. So if someone's got something that doesn't work, I like to be the person that can turn up and say, yeah, I can fix that. I can make that work again. Traditionally, the work has always been television aerials and satellite dishes for TV, radio aerials. But in the last couple of years, the market has really moved. Television is becoming more involved with the internet and vice versa. My job is making people's equipment work. I'm offering a complete digital solution for customers. A couple of interesting jobs I've done recently in Solva was to restore TV reception to 5 holiday cottages. The television aerial is 120 metres up on the hill, and the cable keeps getting eaten by rabbits. So we've had to pull in an armoured cable all the way down the hill. So we had a couple of volunteers from the National Trust digging trenches for me. So we managed to get TV back for people for Christmas. St David's Cathedral was a fabulous job. We had to get Wi-Fi signal from the top of the bell tower down to the verger's office. It meant working on the inside of the bell tower, but there was a 70-odd foot drop to marble. So we had some cracking views of the floor, a couple of heart-in-the-mouth moments. It's not every day you get to work on a 6th century cathedral. Retreats Group have a couple of very nice properties, mainly Penrue, just by St David's Cathedral, and Roach Castle, which is at the top of our road. When the restorations were completed, all the rooms had free view reception, but more recently the owners of the properties have been asked by guests, could they see sky? Both properties are listed buildings, and it's very important to keep them tidy. So what we've done recently is we've put Sky Television in both the buildings, but we've managed to do it invisibly. So from outside you can't see that there is now Sky TV installed in the rooms. My little green Volkswagen van's becoming quite well known in the area. It's my office, it's my world during the day, really. We've got it half converted to be a camper van at the weekends when we get the opportunity. But during the week, it works hard. It carries a lot of equipment, a lot of technical stuff, and a lot of big brackets and heavy ladders. When somebody first calls if they've got a problem with their TV, I'll run through everything I can to see if I can solve it over the phone. Is there a loose lead? Have you retuned it recently? If not, it's then often ladders out up onto the roof and find out where the problem is. Around Pembrokeshire, corrosion from the salt air is a big problem. So I'm doing a lot of replacements of rusty equipment, trying to fit the best equipment I can. There's galvanised and aluminium wherever possible. And satellite dishes tend to fall down after about 2 years if you're right on the coast. And I'm putting up a lot of fiberglass satellite dishes that tend to last at least 15 years. Pembrokeshire seems to be catching up with technology, but it's taken a long time. Broadband is coming to areas now, whether we have to do it via satellite or via local Wi-Fi systems, but there are alternatives now. First thing we'll look at if somebody has got poor broadband is what alternatives are there, and we'll have a look at where they are on a map using some 3D modelling software. That'll tell me if I can get line of sight to one of the wireless transmitters in the area. If we don't have line of sight for one of those, satellite broadband is then the next option. For the wireless broadband schemes that have been done in Pembrokeshire, we've got villages such as Angle, Llanddewi Velfrey, Mynaclog V, Maenclogog. The system that's run locally is giving download speeds of 10 meg, upload speeds of 4 meg, and it's giving an unlimited monthly data usage. Fresh air is probably the thing that's kept me going in this job the longest. I'd rather be out in the wind and rain than stuck in a stuffy office. If there's anything we can help with, give us a call, drop us an email, take a look at the website, have a look at the blog. That'll keep you up to date with what we've been doing recently. There is no job too small, really. If it's for a neighbour and they want to put the kettle on, I'll go and tune the telly in.